Now I'd like to take a look at digital skills transformation. Essentially, what we're talking about here is teaching you how to write, how to create copy for customers, actually producing content that will attract and sell to people who are reading it. But at the same time, you need to know how to write for the search engines as well, because they are looking for slightly different things, really keyword driven. And the final skill you need to master is understanding how you can go about tracking the results of all your hard work. Now, in the last module, we looked at the customer engagement transformation part, and we looked at lead generation, funnel creation, email campaign creation, and social community engagement. And so this leads on logically, and we're now going to be looking at copywriting, search engine optimization, and then the tracking part is data and analytics, measurement, and optimization. And these three skills are absolutely key for your success in the digital world. So I'm going to go into them in a little bit of detail now, and then I will briefly introduce the next module. Digital skills transformation. I have created this category to help you realize that there are certain skills which are very specific to digital business, and you will need to get to grips with them. The good news is that the 80-20 rule most definitely applies here. And while you can go as deep as you like, my goal is to help you get the most from these skills for the least effort. They include copywriting, search engine optimization, and data analytics, measurement, and optimization. Let's take a look first at copywriting. This is a learning process which I am sure you will enjoy. Essentially, it is a study in human psychology and will help you to understand how your audience thinks and what you have to share with them to make them want to buy from you. Yes, you really can influence them if you know how. Search engine optimization will help you to get the most out of your content by understanding how to make it attractive to the search engines. All of them, not just Google. This will help more people to find and consume your content. Data analytics, measurement, and optimization is what makes your business professional and not a throw it at the wall and see what sticks exercise in futility and money wasting. Again, there is a lot to cover here, but I want to keep focused on the 80-20 to help you understand how to get the most out of the least effort. Remember, what you measure moves. So that brings us to our final module, which we're going to look at in the next video, which is tools and resources. So I hope you found this interesting, and it begins to open your mind as to the sorts of skills that you need to be developing to be a successful digital entrepreneur.